here for Chuck Taylor. Travelers trying to get on the board and cut into this 3-run Cardinal lead. Taylor takes a strike. Bomb at second, Segura at first. 0-1 breaking ball, called strike 2. When Jack Flaherty throws that curveball for strikes, he goes to another level. Oh-2 pitch to Taylor. Curveball again, and he taps it foul to the right. Flaherty nearing 70 pitches as he tries to close out the 5th inning. Another 0-2 on the way to Chuck Taylor. Didn't want to, but went on a fastball way up and out of the zone. Flaherty has his 5th strikeout.